Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the Update on Render. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, price and formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, let's move to the live chart. This is the daily time frame. And this was a triangle. Before that, you can see that it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of November. And after the breakout, we had a short rally, and now it is stuck inside in another descending triangle. And now the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, at any time, we can expect a breakout or breakdown. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive rally on this 7-day time frame chart that was begun here after the breakout from this down channel. By the way, I have been showing you this channel almost for the past 2 years when it was moving inside this channel. I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target that we can expect will be here at the top of this channel, somewhere between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. And so far, by the way, from this low to here, it rallied almost 4,950%, almost 5,000%. And after the breakout, uh, from this low to here, when it was retesting the resistance of the channel as support, it rallied almost 3,448%. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally once again. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, Gartley pattern, not a Gartley, a cipher pattern that render formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 70% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this descending triangle. By the way, since after 12th of November, it is moving inside this descending triangle. We have this horizontal support here in this downtrend and resistance. We had several touch points here, and we had a nice bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. By the way, here we had another bounce. And recently, after this bounce, the price end is moving between the support and resistance of this triangle. This time, if the price end hits the resistance, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $7.58. And in case of breaking down the support of this descending triangle, the technical target to the downside will be here. That will be very close to this next very strong support of $3.40. This target will be at $3.56. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $3.40 has been previously working as a support here, support here. Therefore, again, if the price drops down here to test this support, then it can again work as a strong support for the price and of render. And in case of breaking out, that I'm expecting that eventually it can break out the resistance of this triangle, then target will be here. That will be at this resistance. By the way, here we have a complete resistance zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, when we had this very, very powerful and long-term rally, for a few weeks, the pricing got rejected by this resistance zone here and almost here as well. And this resistance zone starts from $12.50 and goes to $13.85. By the way, almost here at we have the target for the breakout from this channel and slightly higher than this resistance zone, approximately at $14.24. We have the resistance of this descending triangle as well. Therefore, if the price breaks it out, then we may see a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.